Quantum computing. A journey through time and space. Scientists and technology enthusiasts have been fascinated by quantum computing for decades. It is a new way of computing that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to process and store information in a much more efficient and flexible manner. In this video, we will explore the history of quantum computing and its journey through time and space. The concept of quantum computing was first proposed in the 1980s by physicists who were exploring the properties of quantum mechanics. At the time, the idea of using quantum mechanics to perform computation was purely theoretical, and there was no practical way to build a quantum computer. However, advances in physics and technology in the following decades made it possible to build the first prototypes of quantum computers. The first quantum computers were simple and only capable of performing very basic operations. However, as technology and our understanding of quantum mechanics improved, so did the capabilities of quantum computers. Today, quantum computers are being developed by some of the world's leading technology companies and research institutions, and they have the potential to solve problems that are impossible for classical computers to solve within a reasonable amount of time. One of the critical advantages of quantum computing is the use of qubits as the basic units of information. Unlike classical bits, which can only exist in two states, 0 or 1, qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This property, known as superposition, allows quantum computers to perform many calculations in parallel, which can significantly speed up certain types of computations. Quantum algorithms are another critical advantage of quantum computing. These algorithms are specifically designed to take advantage of the unique properties of qubits and perform tasks that are impossible with classical computers. For example, Shor's algorithm can factor large integers exponentially faster than the best-known classical algorithms. In contrast, Grover's algorithm can search an unsorted database in a time proportional to the square root of the number of items, which is exponentially faster than classical algorithms. Despite its many advantages, quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, and many technical and scientific challenges need to be addressed before it can reach its full potential. For example, qubits are highly delicate and must be kept at extremely low temperatures to preserve their quantum properties. In addition, there is a great deal of research being conducted to develop more efficient and robust quantum algorithms. In conclusion, quantum computing is a fascinating field that has come a long way in a short amount of time. From its humble beginnings as a theoretical concept in the 1980s to the development of practical quantum computers today, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize many fields and solve problems that are beyond the reach of classical computers. The future of quantum computing is uncertain, but one thing is for sure, it will be an exciting journey through time and space. Thanks for watching.